February's College and Career Day, we're putting the spotlight on Career and Technical Education, or CTE Month, and focusing on skilled trades, with a special emphasis on the dynamic world of metalworking and welding and the metal fabrication and welding program at Long Beach City College. In February, we celebrate CTE Month to show just how cool skilled trade jobs really are. Skilled trades include jobs like building things, fixing electricity, plumbing, welding, and more. These jobs are hands-on and make people feel proud. They usually need apprenticeships, which means learning while working and going to class. It's a special way to learn and work at the same time. Students who want to work in skilled trades can start learning as early as high school. At Los Alamitos High School, there are 7 different career pathways that students can take to learn about these jobs. The high school has a special place called the College and Career Center that helps students who want to go to college or work in these hands-on jobs. They also have events like the Skilled Trades Fair, where students can learn about different jobs and programs that can help them start their careers. Now, let's get some insight about opportunities available to students who are interested in careers in the field of skilled trades from LAHS College and Career Counselor Mary Ann Schaefer.
So the skilled trades are any types of occupations where you're hands-on, it requires a certain skill set, aptitudes and abilities. They're usually careers where you're not sitting at a desk, and they span all sorts of pathways, including construction, automotive, technologies, and medicine. There are so many different opportunities and careers in the skilled trades. You could be an electrician, you could be a plumber, you could be an automotive technician fixing people's cars. If you didn't want to go to school for a really long time to be a doctor, there are a lot of different careers in medicine. So we have a lot of partners here at the high school in the skilled trades. We work with a number of community colleges, Long Beach City College, Cypress College, Golden West College, just to name a couple. We also have our skilled trades fair each fall, and we have a number of the different apprenticeship programs come in and talk with our students. One of those participants is actually part union and also part Long Beach City College. It's their welding and metal fabrication program, which is so strong, and kids really get wonderful hands-on experiences for their career knowledge.
Now let's talk about the college focus. Long Beach City College's Metal Fabrication and Welding program provides students with the opportunity to attend regular college classes and join apprenticeships at the same time. This means students can learn about metalworking while also getting hands-on experience. It's a perfect opportunity for students to learn about the metalworking industry with both knowledge and hands-on skills. Now let's learn a little more about Long Beach City College and their Metal Fabrication and Welding program.
Hello, my name is Tim Shoemaker and welcome to Long Beach City College. I teach in both the metal fabrication program and the welding program. A lot of our students will go on to an apprenticeship with the Sheet Metal Workers Union, Iron Workers Union, maybe go into a manufacturing facility. But nobody has the metal fabrication program like we have here. We actually bend, shape, form metal. We also teach sand casting and forging. We have a lot of modern CNC equipment, some that was purchased by the college, some that was donated by industry. So we have the state-of-the-art laser here, state-of-the-art punch, CNC press brakes, a lot of equipment you won't find at your typical community college. And that's sort of our niche.
I really love the hands-on experience I get from this program. I'm able to get certifications and do these things cost efficiently.
We have an AS degree in metal fabrication. We have an advanced degree, as well as several certificates of accomplishment, including robotic welding.
The instructors at LBCC I really like. They're some of the best instructors that I've ever had. They're very patient and very helpful and very willing to share their knowledge.
If you're interested in a high-paying job that you can accomplish in 2 years or less, feel free to check us out at lbcc.edu.